To add a newsletter to Squarespace. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Log into your account using your email and password. Then access your account dashboard. From there, select the website where you want to add the newsletter. On your website, you'll see various options such as selling, invoicing, content, membership, and marketing. Scroll through these options to find the layout of your website. Then click the Edit button. This will allow you to see your site title, sections, and the option to add a block to a section. Click on Add Block and you'll be presented with a range of options, including text, image, button, video, form, audio, accordion, calendar, and newsletter. Select the newsletter option, and you can customize its appearance and content. By clicking the Edit button, you can toggle between content, design, and storage settings. You can modify the text, tag, float, content, and other settings, such as the newsletter form title, subscribe button, description, disclaimer, and button text. You can also choose to require a name field and customize the post-submit message. Once you've made your changes, you can save and publish your newsletter.